So hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to change font size on your iPhone notes. So to change the font size on iPhone notes, you can use the text styling or you can adjust the app's display scale. So if you want to change quickly within the notes, so let's just type in something on here. And once you've typed in something, you can click the AA button right here. So you can see some different options there. And you can choose sizes like title, maybe heading, subheading, then body or monostyle. You can see some different options that are going to be available to you. So this is the quick way to change up your font size within iPhone notes. Another thing that you can access is to go to display size. The display size, which is going to be within your control center. But what I suggest is that you do it through there because it's going to be easier for you to set it up. So you can also adjust the slider from those settings and just make sure to toggle notes only, because then your text messages, your other text that you see within your device is going to be changed as well. So just make sure that it's within notes only if you're looking to change just your notes. But if you want a quick fix, you can just do it like that. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on iPhone notes or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.